from me, but I'm too fast, I'm too fast. Push my foot up on that pedal and I'm gone. Keep up on my track, I'm too fast. Push my foot up on that pedal and I'm gone. Let's start to I love it when it's like that. Go ahead, I get you.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And today, this is our new activity. It is going to swimming pool, and I will be the introduction of this outdoor building of 817 Amani. And syempre dito tayo sa manibagong bahay. Tapos tayo, tracking na yung video ko, still tracking, mga 30 minutes. Siyempre, paikat ako sa ng lugar ng buong building na nasa pool tayo. I'm sure na wala mo makikita sa akin, I'm sure. O sa likod. Yan. So dito kami minsan nagkagala sa mga parking lot. Kaya meron tayong shoutout sa farmer. Ayan, nakita mo yung pool na yan. Yan, nakita mo yung pool na yan. Yan, dyan tayo na nagsuswimming kahapon ata, or Wednesday kami nagsuswimming. Every Friday tsaka Monday ang bukas ng pool. Tuesday bukas ata yung pool pag Tuesday. Ayan, minsan mababasketball lang kami. Wala namang registration yan. Pakita ko lang sa iyo ng magandang pool. Ayan, tinan mo. Kasi doon ako maglalaro kasama ng tropa ko, kasama mga boys natin. Gusto ko sa boys eh, mas matapang ang boys kaysa naman sa babae. Okay, let's go. Yan, that's the court. That's where we basketball, entertain. Yeah, pwede ka din mag-socialize din, makapagkwentuhan. Tapos kung mahilig kayo sa basketball, panoorin ninyo sa 1xBet. Yan, pakitulong sa iyo ng all-around places. Hindi po mo na alam. Bago lang kasi itong buy na to eh. Pero di nila alam, kapag-record tayo. Huwag tayong maingay. Nakikita ko nagte-text sila. Ayan. Kakaliwa tayo. Kaliwa. Ayun, tayo sa kaliwa. Secret ng underground dito eh. Ayun tayo sa kaliwa. Sana hindi maingay ang boses natin, pero narinig nila tayo. Yeah, pa-shoutout naman yung mga DRU. Siya ay gumagawa ng bahay natin, pero maganda. Mga 80s ang ginagawa nila, pero syempre may konti lang mistaken. Mali na kasi pinapatong yung kwarto ko, pero okay na yan. It is what it is na lang. Yan, maganda dito. Para nasa Japan ka lang. Parang lalakad ka lang eh. Ayan, may kasama namang babae. Mga bata lang yan eh. Mga bata nag-YouTube lang. Minsan lang yung mga bata pupunta dito eh. Minsan nagbablog sila dito eh, para makita yung magagandang surrounding ng bahay natin eh. 3 minutes na lang. Sige, so stop ko muna yung video kasi 3 minutes lang to video. Hindi kasi pwedeng mahaba yung video, hindi kaya ng messenger. Pero syempre dito kami naglalakad minsan pag may times na feel bored ka lang, basketball ka lang pre. Sige, ingat, di kaya ng video. Welcome back to this channel, and today na dito na tayo sa ating bahay kasama ko. Flex tayo. Yan, nanonood lang tayo ng mga initial D. Papa-introduce ko sa iyo itong bahay na to. Dito tayo niluluto ng mga kitchen sales, mga stock, rice cooker. Hindi ko pa bubuksan. Mas madaling siya kasi pag nandito ka. Wait lang, buksan natin ng ilaw. Yan. Kita mo, Nabuksan natin ang kung lalagyan ng mga pagkain sa loob. Tapos pabalik tayo sa ating mga bahay. Ito yung CR natin. Okay, check natin yung mga CR natin. Yan. Ito yung CR natin. Pag nililigo lang tayo ng mga towel, underwear, and ito yung mirror natin. Gagawin natin siyang compilation mamaya yung sumasayaw tayo sa Instagram or TikTok. 1 minute na lang siya. Natin kung kaya natin put natin yung video ng 1 minute. At sana nandito na tayo sa ating 80s room. Ay nako, ang ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Ginagaya ko yung kay South Sing, paano siya nag-vlog. Siyempre, makikita mo lang is yung radio natin. Yan. So, yung radio natin na pinapakita ko sa iyo, and yung kabilang video kanina. Tapos din, gagawa tayo ng introduction ng monitor. Yan, hindi ko nang pwede bubuksan yan kasi purposes lang siya. Baka may mga mag-hack ng mga YouTube or something. So, I prefer sa saraduin lang natin siya. Okay, so this is our 2-minute video and mag-edit na lang tayo, no? Sali kayo sa vlog natin. Sali kayo. Comment down below, guys, kung ano mga paboritong mga 80s content dito sa YouTube nito. And subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to link them down in the description kung ano mga gusto mong pwedeng edit ng mga video about cars, any 80s, etc., etc. So on and so forth. Without further ado, let's edit. Yeah! Guys, welcome back to the 1980s room. Since I never break those walls, the break of fourth walls, never break the wall though because it's full of wood though. I didn't even try to smash it though. But of course, in Maria, everything, the wall is broken. I accidentally broke it because of my anger, you know. It's kind of a bit stressed and out of control of my anger, so I kind of broke the wall. This time, we'll never break it anymore. So this is what we're explaining to you. Everything you know about the 80s. This are my pictures of Back to the Future, the movie, where they cast with Michael J. Fox and Tom Cruise. I love one of the movies. I grew up watching those with my father. He gave me the VHS tape and the VCR, and he said it's so absolutely epic compared to right now. It's a lot more non-toxicated and not cringe. It's actually realistic, but no social media standards at time. And we have this notebook, and we use this TV. Yeah, as you can see, we use this TV. Let me just wipe this thing off. We kind of use this TV for watching some content, YouTube, or if you want to use this remote control if you want to play video games. And of course, this is the upper. This is the radio that I was showing to you in the previous video. If you go watch my video, this radio is like for tuning. If you want to listen to the radio, or if I could use this for content also, if I could try, I'll try to do what Jordan Ramsey can do. And that one's my computer. Yes, it's a 5 years computer for making content and vlogs also if you want to be able to create your YouTube channel. And of course, this is my closet under of the bed. It's a high arc steel. It's made of wood. It's made of wood, not made of metal. And this one is made of metal just in case if you might fall to the ground. And this one is the cabinet for if you want to go out somewhere in the mall, or if you want to go outside in the house. You can actually wear fashion clothes like the 80s. So yeah, that's it. That's the only best option. I have notebooks inside, ball pens, and everything is complete. And right now, I am going to post this video in the CapCut so I can make an edit. But the swimming pool is great. If you guys are wondering if you have a hard time looking for places, you can always just take a walk outside and you explore it and figure it out on your own. So see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Peace out.